All right, what is up? It's a beautiful Wednesday afternoon, bright blue skies, and we're gonna fish with my man Kobe right here. All right, so it's a little bit windy. I don't know if you can tell, but we're gonna definitely be throwing some crankbaits. It's a little mossy, so we're gonna see how that plays out. All right, see you on the pond. All right, so we're out at the pond. I threw on a jig, didn't catch any, so now I have a frog, and we're gonna get some good frog bites, hopefully on video. Kobe here actually did end up missing one because he hasn't casted a fishing lure in about a year, so it's understandable, but we're here and we're gonna catch some fish. So all right, so now that the action starts, I'm gonna start recording again. 10 seconds after I put on the Senko, I catch this little buck. 1/3 of a pound, almost, maybe a little over. All right, so this is gonna be, we probably have a good 30 minutes. Oh shoot. All right, get out there. Perfect. All right, what do you got? I on a Texas rig Senko with a 3-aught hook. All right, I got a little curly tail worm hook on. We're gonna get another one. Oh wait, is it? All right, mission accomplished. Oh no, that's better than the ones I caught. Oh wow. Dude, the GoPro makes it look huge. It looks like a 3-pounder on camera. There we go, Kobe. Good job. Not tripping. Yeah, that's a fish. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Woohoo! Look at that.
That was back to back. Yeah, you're recording right.
Yep. Back to back with Kobe. Let's see. Still a pretty healthy looking fish. Dude, he is aggressive. Do you see this? What were you doing? You just started reeling and it... Did you just see that, bro? Fish came flying out. It just hit the water the second it hit. So come over here and just yeet it. You gotta get him out there, my friend. All right, so we got...
Is that my GoPro? It looks like my GoPro.
No. All right, so cast it in, Wyatt. All right, let's see him. Set her down.
Biggest one out of it.
Yeah, so far. A little over a pound. Oh, I had one on. Because we're good. Just like that, boys, we got a fish. All right, so I survived and we're gonna do another day. This is literally the next day. We're gonna go fish with Kobe again, different spot. But if you wanna go fishing with me this summer, leave a comment in the section right below. I know I met some people at Bear Creek. I met some people over Instagram. Y'all wanna go fish, leave a comment and we'll do it. I got a lot of time. I'm already on summer and I'm having a blast already. Today I went up and picked up trash and everything, just randomly out of the kindness of my heart. So we're gonna go fish right now. We have a really cool spillway here. So this like built up water with some really pretty algae in it is spilling off. Very steep grade, as you can see. Let's go take an inspection. Oh no, they dyed the water blue. When they dye the water blue, it kills the spot. Might as well. Oh, there we go. There we go. There you go, see him jumping. Whoa. He's not really a match for this heavy heavy rod, but okay, I take back what I said. I still caught a fish using a pretty strange technique right off that fence post. See him jump. Come on, little guy. Just come on in, I'll unhook you. Oh, is he fighting or what? Here we go. Jump. I want to see him jump. Come on. This guy actually has been caught before. See the little other hole in his mouth? Go back to where you came from. He's swimming off. Hold up! I got a big one! Oh, not that big. Pretty big. It's a good... Oh, it's bleeding. Hey, stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop. It's not stopping. I can't do anything about it. I think I hooked it in the gill. It's pretty good.
Oh, you gut hooked it.
No, I didn't gut hook it. I gill hooked it.
That's a decent one.
Gill hook. I gotta get a really quick picture. 2. Oh, he's kicking. Look at that. Good Lord. Bro, what happened?
Like rapid bite.
It's a fat little guy. Alright, good job, Kobe. First fish of the night. Alright, let's get another one. Actually, let's see if you can get a bass. Alright, this is about 1.5 pounds. He's a chunky guy. You're gonna test me on how this thing feels like 1.5 pounds. Anyways, let's throw him about 20 feet into the water. About 15. Well, it's 20 feet.